Hello, YouTube friends and family. How are you today? Today is Tuesday, the Tuesday before Thanksgiving. And I got to cook because it's just me and my cameraman over here. And I cook at home. And I want to stay in my pajamas all day and enjoy my food because I can cook. If you want to check out some of my recipes, I do have a lot of, Thanksgiving, seafood dressing recipe, drunken collard greens, all of that in my thousands of videos that are posted. I'll link one above. But we still have a Dollar Tree haul, so stay to the end. But I do have a Dollar Tree haul, and I also have some gift ideas in this video. And at the end, I will show you a mini Big Lots clearance haul because some of the stores are closing. Most of them are closing in Jacksonville, all except one. So, as part of this gift giving guide, I will be posting a short eventually, hopefully using them. I'm hoping they work, but I'm doing some gifts with these. And I did get 4. They have different designs. It's 2 bags in each one. So these are smaller gift bags, even though they say cookie bags. They have trays underneath, ribbon, and they are smaller. So I have 4 different designs, and I thought these were cool for the gifts I'm doing. So I got those. Fingers crossed that they work. I have a receipt here. I've got to keep up with these receipts. I got this viral pasta everybody's trying to do. I may or may not use it for my macaroni and cheese, but I did buy a box to have the cavatappi pasta. Wish I could see it in the window. Also, I looked at these before, and pay attention in the stores because some of them have a greasy stain on them. I don't know what happened, if they melted at some point or what. But they will have greasy stain on the box. But these are cashew clusters. Barton's is a brand that they do sell at Costco. But this is more of and I want to say the bag at Costco is $8 or $9, but it's way more than this. This is the perfect giftable size. Throw this with a gift card, a lottery ticket, or something like that you may want to give someone. Perfect size gift. Workmates, you just want to give them a little token, that would be perfect. Everybody likes chocolate. If you don't like chocolate, who are you? So I saw this. This is a clip, and I never buy these, but I have a gift idea with these. I only have 1 bag with this order, but this is something I just picked up today, hot off the press. This is a matte finish. It is a pretty flower clip. Okay? And notice the color. And then I was able to score one of these. A gift bag, the furry one. It's a nice size on the inside. Okay, so you get the picture. That'll be part of that. I also bought the Purple Villains chapstick in another haul. Check out my previous haul. So this is the start of something giftable with some other things. And also, we have these. These are playing cards. We have The Office and Elf playing cards. These would be a great addition to a gift that I have in mind. So go ahead and subscribe. Ring the bell because I'm going to pretty much do... It's most likely I will do these in shorts. I will do a short of me putting the gifts together. And that will be great gift ideas from the Dollar Tree. And I'll try to kind of keep them. Some of them will be under $10. Some of them will be over $10. Some of them will be with Christmas things I bought last year. So just stay on the lookout. But that can probably be substituted with something from the Dollar Tree. So I also have... This is a repeat buy. We love this stuff. We love this cornbread. And I do not see anything that says that it is an issue. Oh yes, it does. Bioengineered. I'm gonna do some research on this because it's in everything. What is it? Okay. And then there's a recipe on the back for a tamale pie. But looking at this recipe, you could probably do this with some leftover turkey. Just an idea. Just an idea. I've never tried tamale pie, but I do want to try it one day. So, oh yeah, this is some amazing, exciting stuff here. Okay. So, great stocking stuffer. And when I bought 2 of one. Okay, I don't know if they're the same thing. I was looking at the store trying to figure them out, but I bought 3 pair. I bought this one. That's clearly a different style. And it appeared that these were 2 different styles, even though they do pick up the gaming pattern on the back. So do pay attention and look for the 3 styles. Yeah, once I look on the inside, there are 3 styles of the Pac-Man socks. So if you have that gamer in your life, great, great stocking stuffer. My son loves these socks. And I guess, you know, middle school, high schoolers, they wear socks and Crocs. This is what they wear. And they would appreciate this. Get something that interests them. So that's stocking stuffers. Oh, here's another receipt. I gotta keep up with these receipts. I don't want them to run out of time to fetch them. But this is a good must-have. If you're doing shoe boxes of love, things like that, this may be helpful to add to those. I did buy another thing of yarn. December has to be, I may be doing the Vlogmas, because I may have to do something every single day, especially a craft or something like that. So that is for a craft, possibly. And I said it was in my last haul, but it's in this haul. This is the purple lip gloss in this haul, and it is the Disney villains to go with this thing. So I got other stuff to add, but this will make a cute, cute gift. Little token gift. Or if you're giving someone a gift card, that gives them something extra to have. This is a stocking stuffer. This is my cameraman's favorite. So it is going in his stocking. And these are manageable sizes to add. I got to put all this up because he will eat those if he sees them. He will eat them and they will be gone before they can make it to a stocking. So here's another. If you caught the last one where I bought the Uno cards. So they also had Apples to Apples Junior. So I've never played Apples to Apples. Maybe you have. But this is a cute little stocking stuffer. Families are going to be getting together. Time to play games. So I did grab 3 of those, and I think I got like a total of 3 of the Uno cards too. Because they seem to be flying off the shelves. When I went back, there are no more Apples to Apples. There are no more. And I got a good old-fashioned bonnet because I'm kind of purging the ones that are stretched out and don't fit. Thought that was a pretty design. That would also be something good to add to that little furry makeup bag if you can find a purple one. Also doing an Elmo gift, which I have movies, and I'm going to add that to it. And again, shorts, Vlogmas, something. And maybe I can get a compilation of the shorts. It'll be worked out. So, also these. This is a twice buy. Orange creamsicle is like a favorite flavor, a nostalgic flavor. I really like, I hadn't tried them, but I'm going to try them. But I said, let me get 2 before they disappear, because that is very likely at the Dollar Tree. And this, I was so surprised to find this. I said, is this $1.25? Yes, this is $1.25. whole puzzles. Whole puzzles. I got 2 of them. Be on the lookout for whole puzzles. This is Janetta Gonzalez, Los Angeles-based designer, illustrator, and artist coach. Using a combination of paint, inks, and digital illustration, creates her vibrant art that evokes happiness, energy, inspiration positively throughout her love of drawing plants, women's flowers, and lettering phrases. I would love to find one of these in flowers. I would love to. So if you've seen them, comment down below and let me know. But I'm sure she has a whole line of these puzzles. But these are fist in the air in all kinds of colors. The pieces are pretty large, which is, you know, you don't want those tiny piece puzzles. I'm stuck with some of them and I'm like disappointed because tiny piece puzzles are too hard. But this is a 500 piece puzzle. And those are the actual sizes of the pieces. Love this for $1.25. They probably retail for far more. Didn't take the time to look them up, but if you look it up, go on ahead and place it in the comments below. I need to catch up on my bitches. So here is another amazing gift idea. First, a gift for me, which is not really a gift, but it's part of my decor this year. And it actually smells good. This was the Big Lots haul. You know, this did not come from the Dollar Tree, full disclosure. But I really like this. And even once you empty this wax, you can refill it and do another candle with some more seasonal scents. But this is an all year decor piece along with a wood wick candle. Oh, I'm about to break the wick. Oh my goodness, it broke. It's been sitting in the bag, but I still have enough to light and get it going. But yeah, and it's iced cinnamon roll. It smells a little cinnamony. Okay. And hopefully it gives off a good throw. But I bought this for me, and it was regular $14.99, but it was like 40 or 50% off at one of my closing Big Lots stores. Then gift giving for little girls. They will love this stuff. And it's under $5. This stuff is 50% off. Well, hold up. Let me look at the receipt. Because, child, I really don't know what I paid for this. Yes, everything I'm about to show you, I think one of them. Okay, so this is the most expensive. This is the most expensive. It is for a little girl. And actually, it could go with that purple gift set. If you're buying a little girl or a preteen, teenager, this would go with that purple bag and make a nice little gift set. But this has, I don't know what all this is. Look like just a bunch of lip glosses is what it looks like in a little cute little case. And it was $6.24. Amazing gift. This is Big Lots now, remember. This is not Dollar Tree. $6.24. And then the earrings, you get a whole bunch of earrings. Oh my gosh, you get a whole bunch of earrings. And they were $2.50. $2.50. And I do believe Claire's is well known for hypoallergenic stuff. So this supposed to be like 75% off. So if you have a closing Big Lots, they have the Claire's merchandise. This was only $2.47. And that's how many pair of earrings? 369 pair of earrings. And you know them girls lose them earrings every other day. You know they do. I'm guilty of it. Then we have this unicorn. This was $4.24. However, look at that. The whole little makeup kit. And I don't care if you see what's on the other side. I don't care. But, because my Christmas tree's over there. You want to see? But, yeah, this is so cute for a little girl. Beautiful for a little girl. Lip glosses, and they got their little play eyeshadow. Oh my goodness, that is so cute for under $5. So again, if you're doing shoe boxes of love, donations to children's shelters, children's hospitals, this would be an amazing thing. Then since we have the unicorn, we also have the nails again. So I did buy another pack of the nails, and come to find out, they are $1. I guess this is it. $1.97. So I'm sure this is pretty good quality. These will probably end up, since Big Lots is closing, they're closing this stuff out. I don't know. Maybe Claire's did go out of business. I'm not for certain. I'm not up on that this week. But this will end up at the Dollar Tree at some point. I say it's a good 60% chance that these will eventually end up at the Dollar Tree. But the difference of $1.97, and it is the holiday season, perfect time to give these, it makes a difference. So these do not need glue. They are for little children, and they do not need the glue. So that is perfect for your teens who want to play with the fake nails, your preteens. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Trying to keep it down under 16 minutes because I'm going to film another one right behind it. I got another stack of Dollar Tree over there. But I'll put this one out first. And have you been to the Big Lots closeout? Let me know below and see if you found, let me know some of the things you are finding that still work for holiday gifts. That was my second trip. I do have a 10 off $20 coupon, and I was supposed to update you. So you cannot use that. They won't even scan it at a clothing store. Also, clothing stores, furniture. They had a nice upholstered king size bed for $90. The whole bed, rails, headboard, footboard, upholstered for $90. And you could still get more off if you're military. So if you need a furniture item, check. You just never know what they have left. They had the box mattresses in a box. They were like king size for $400 and something. So you just never know what you're going to find. So that is a tip from me to you. They even had some rails left. So if your mattress is on the floor, you might want to look in that upgrading for Christmas. Yeah. It's just a lot of things you just don't think to go to Big Lots for, and they may still have it there, even though they're closing those particular locations. And if you have like a store of your own or a flea market booth, they are selling the fixtures, they are selling the shopping carts, all that kind of stuff is already priced and ready to go. So I hope you like this video. I hope it's helped someone. And as always, prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. I love you to life. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.